What's up, tech fans, and welcome to Ary Tech. The Intel Core Ultra 9285K is Intel's flagship processor. While its efficiency has improved, this chip still needs a serious cooling solution to keep it from stressing over temperatures. In recent tests on this new CPU, 5 coolers stood out from the pack. Let's break down the best picks for 2025 across 4 key categories. First up, our best overall pick, the EK Nucleus AIO CR360 Lux D-RGB. This 360mm AIO is a fantastic all-rounder. Its performance comes from a highly dense micro-fin cold plate and EK's full-pressure technology fans. In stress tests, this cooler kept the CPU well under 85 degrees Celsius under full all-core loads. The main con? It can get noisy under that full load, registering around 51 decibels in tests. Aesthetically, it's a beauty, with smooth A-RGB on both the pump and fans. A minor but important feature is the adjustable pump cover, which lets you orient the EK logo correctly no matter how you mount it. The brushed aluminum frame just adds to its elegant look. It was a bit pricey at launch, but its price has settled to around $160, making it a top performer with great looks, a durable build, and a 5-year warranty. It's the total package. Next, our best 360mm AIO is the Cooler Master MasterLiquid 360 ATMOS. This cooler matches that top-tier thermal performance, holding the 285K at a maximum of 85 degrees in stress tests, but it does so much more quietly, with a noise output around 41 decibels A. It uses an optimized dual-chamber pump and powerful sickle-flow edge fans, but the features are what set it apart. The pump top cover is customizable. You can even 3D print your own design. The handy MasterLiquid software provides better control and even includes features like a leakage warning. Plus, there's a focus on eco-friendliness, using recycled materials. At an MSRP of $144, it's a top performer that runs quiet, is easy to install thanks to pre-installed fans, and is packed with smart modern features. But what if you're on a budget? Check out our best budget cooler, the Enermax LiqMaxFlo 360mm. This is a budget beast. It uses a 38mm thick radiator, thicker than the others, and an extreme dual-chamber pump. In stress tests, it kept the CPU at an impressive 87 degrees. The value here is just insane. For a modest $69 price tag, you get full RGB plus a VRM fan inside the water block to help cool your motherboard's components. It has a refill-friendly design and even includes extra coolant. It comes with pre-applied thermal paste in an extra tube for later. The Enermax LiqMaxFlo offers performance and features that simply have no business being at this price point. It's an incredible value. Finally, for that clean white build, our best white CPU cooler is the Corsair iCUE Link Titan 360 RX RGB. This cooler looks gorgeous and performs great, keeping the 9285K under 86 degrees during a 30-minute Cinebench run. The noise level was a bearable 48 decibels A at its peak. The real story, though, is the design. With 20 LEDs in the pump and 8 in each magnetic levitation fan, the RGB is stunning. It's all controlled by Corsair's iCUE software, and you can even swap the pump cap for a custom look. As a show of confidence, Corsair backs this with a 6-year warranty, a step above the standard 5. For a high-performance white build, the iCUE Link Titan is a premium and beautiful choice. And that's a wrap on the best CPU coolers for the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K. From budget beasts to performance kings, there's a solution to tame this powerful new chip. Which one would you choose for your build? Let us know down in the comments. You can find links to all these coolers in the description below. Thanks for watching Ary Tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video.